welcome to my channel. Let's talk about this slightly overpriced or not, I don't know, what do you think? Westman Atelier makeup. So I purchased her products a while ago. It's my day off and I am getting ready for a date night with my husband. We're going to sushi life. I'm so excited. I work 6 days straight. I am exhausted. I woke up today in a horror today. I've been waking up in really bad moods lately. Can you tell I just dyed my hair? Like, today is a very productive day today for me. Anyway guys, let's review this makeup. So what I have here is I have two foundations, a blush and one of the highlighting sticks, bronzer, and the famous foundation brush. So I'm gonna do my makeup with her products. I used it already a couple times, so it's not the first time I will be using it, but it's the first time when I will mainly focus on that product. So I actually put already a primer on my eyelids because you know that just it is what it is. The first time I'm going to dip brush into this beautiful bronzer. So you know I like to use bronzer as eyeshadow, so I'm just going to see how my skin will react with this. I usually use the NARS, but let's see. So I watched some of her videos, guys, and I have to say it sold me on the product so much. I bought two foundation sticks. Okay, this is it's not the same tone as the one I have from NARS, of course. This is more browny. The one from NARS is I would say peachy, more golden tone. This is more natural bronze, which I am actually really liking. You see that? I'm using my Hourglass brush number 14. I was planning to buy as well her brushes, but guys, this was already like a lot of money. It was a lot of money. So anyway, that is the bronzer as eyeshadow, which I am loving so far. It's my first time doing this with her product. The first time I couldn't figure out how to open it because it's so magnetic and I have long nails, so be careful. And still it doesn't work very well for me. It's super adorable. Tiny product, it will just easy travel, you know. So now I'm going to use the lighter version of the stick, which I have in color neutral. I'm like, what is that? This is the neutral color, which is I believe the first one she came up with. First I purchased the number 3, and when I tested it on my skin, it was very pigmented, it was very dark, and I could not use it under the eye area, and I really wanted something for the under eye area. So I have the number neutral, which is N, and I think, I know she has been using it with the brush, right? Ooh, this looks already so cute. So you see the pigment, it's kind of nice. So I'm just going to put it around the eye area because that's what I've been using it for. I've been testing it for quite some time, guys. I haven't used the brush yet. This is my first time using the brush. I used to just like slide it under the eye area and dip it with my fingers. You see the difference between this side of my face and this side? It has nice coverage, I would say, right? Because I have pigmentation here, I like to use the lighter foundation all the way to my cheekbone. To cover it up. Okay guys, I feel like I need to, because I'm not so talented makeup artist, I just need to blend up the bronzer a little bit in the corner of my eyes. I'm considering purchasing her eyeshadows as well, just for the light colors. And I think the darker tones, you know what I mean, they're so freaking cute. So what do you think so far? This side compared to this side. So this is the neutral tone, don't forget that. Apparently this is supposed to be for everyone, almost everyone. But I don't think I could put this all over my face, it's very light. The brush feels so nice, people were right. So many people speak so goodly about her brushes, now I know why. This is so soft guys, and I'm going to use again on the cheekbone the lighter foundation to cover up the mess which the sun created on my face, and I've been fighting it. So far I have to say, not so far because I've been testing it for a while, what I have experienced and what you can see, it blends really well and you can build up coverage with this, and it doesn't create the cakiness, which is very good. This is the neutral tone guys. So I'm going to use the number 3 right now. I'm just going to swipe it on my cheek so you see the tone. So it's a little bit darker, so I could not use this on my under eye area. This tone is a little bit more olive than what I was expecting it to be, and I kind of like it because I used to use pink undertone so much, which make me look even more pale, and who wants that, right? I wish my skin was as perfect as my forehead. In this area, it's some hormonal mess happening to me, and I am not loving it, I have to say. So it's foundation stick, so it's a little bit more matte than you will expect. It's more dry product, so if you have super dry skin, you may be not happy, but it blends really well to the skin, I have to say. I usually don't use foundation all over my face. I enjoy the natural looks at work enough. So okay, maybe the under eye area is a little too pale right now. Should I like remove a little bit of it? Yes, I have to say this looks very, very good, very natural, guys. So I have all her product, guys. All her products are like magnetic, which is super adorable. So this is in the tone Nectar, right there. I will do this swatches for you on the end of the video, but let me just show you right here. That's the favorite glossiness of mine, which I feel like I have enough. So this I don't think was the best purchase for me, but as you know, I like to apply this. I'm just gonna go with my finger and I apply it here to make my lips appear a little bit bigger on my nose. So if you have dry skin, this is a wonderful product. On my chin, and I feel when I apply this on the foundation, it takes the foundation away. So I've seen video where people were applying it before they apply the foundation. That could work. So I actually purchased the wrong tone. I wanted to buy the white one, which has like the blue undertone, but I guess things happen for a reason and I got this one. I love this kind of product on the top of the lip because it makes the lips appear bigger. Back to the bronzer. I will use my Hourglass brush because I didn't purchase the brush from her, and I will use the smaller size and just slightly dip it in it. And I just want to have like the touch like when you're tanning. So I'm just gonna put very little bit of this product. I should go through my hair, right? My ear is red, I don't know why. So the tone of the bronzer, the name is Coupe de Sol, Coupe de Soleil, Coupe de Soleil. I think this is the lighter one. I have to say this is quite perfect tone. I didn't go for the contouring stick because I feel once I apply this bronzer it's kind of enough, and I really don't care about highlighting my cheekbones because I have cheekbones, so works for me. And my favorite product of them all so far is the blush. This one is in Chouchette. I love the name Chouchette. It's Chouchette. Guys, I'm loving the name. Can you tell? What I do, I just like dip it on the cheekbones. If you watch a movie called Iceman, I will translate it. In my country we say mrazík. That's my fuchsia. Anyway, this is absolutely fabulous blush, guys. You know, I've been using the cream one from Victoria Beckham. This one is actually so much better. The color is so lovely, so lovely. Ta-da! So I have to say, I'm loving it. What do you think? It's very natural. It doesn't look heavy on my face. That's what I appreciate about her products. It just looks natural. Even I did use a little too much of the neutral tone. I'm just going to like bronze it out a little bit under the eyes, so be careful with that. So this is the look, guys, and I am loving it. And I don't have hair lip product, so I'm just going to use my Hermes in beige blue, number 17. I wish I purchased her lip products, but I have so many lip products already. Yeah, I don't feel like I should have buy anymore. Till I at least finish one. So what do you think, guys? Do you like the look? I turned down the light a little bit so you can see it a little bit better. The bronzer on my eyelids look fabulous. Very perfect for summer. The blush is perfect. The highlight on the lip is enough. It doesn't look as sweaty as I thought it will look once I put the bronzer on. So I'm gonna wash my hands. Let's do the swatches. I will start with the foundation. My hair is everywhere. Fabulous. The neutral, it's very light, so that's why I purchased it for under eye area, and that's why as well I put the bronzer under my eye a little bit because I felt it was too light. Then this tone right next to it, number 3. It's more in olive tone to me. It's not too peachy, it's not too pink. The tone is very olive. And it blends so easy. It's like I don't see like dilated pores or anything, which is fabulous. I'm liking it. Now I will show you the swap of the Chouchette. Chouchette is this peachy, pinkish undertone blush. I am loving it. This is really my favorite. I was considering about purchasing different tone, but I like this one more. This product is something which is really better for dry skin than for my kind of skin, but honestly it's not horrible product. It does what it's supposed to do, and this is in the tone Nectar. You see the glossiness? So what I'm thinking, what would be good to do, to put this as a highlighter under the foundation before you apply your foundation. That could totally work, but I really like it under, you know, the lip. And the brush is absolutely yes for me. I will be using it now all the time. So you see how easy they blend together with my skin tone. That's what it is. And this is the highlighter, which looks like a really good moisturizer. So I think if you put like foundation on top of it, it's lovely. And the shade blends very well as well. I have been using this makeup for quite a time, all day, wearing it all day to work. I have not noticed any special breakouts or anything, so my skin is taking it very good, even it's very sensitive. So for me, yes. So I definitely do recommend you to give it a try. Now I know why there is such a hype around her makeup, because I'm loving it. It looks very natural. So now when I know how this feels, how this is, how the bronzer is, I'm feeling like I will purchase her eyeshadow. I want to purchase her eyeshadow, so the darker tone, because it has the tone champagne, and I like to use tones like that here to highlight a little bit of my, you know, of the eye, because it opens my eye. And then the dark eyeshadow I will use here just to the crease, as you know. The black eyeshadow, I don't know, that's probably not much of use for me, but it is what it is. It's there. I could just give it to someone, I don't know. What is your experience with Westman Atelier? What else you think I should try? I am so far loving the brushes. I mean, everything I purchased, the foundation, the bronzer, the blush, even the greasy Nectar product, it's quite fabulous. I'm liking it, I have to say. My skin looks fresh, and I cannot wait to go and have date night with my husband. So please comment below, don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumb up, and see you next week.